awful situation out there.
You know, I've got the radar pulled up too, because this is something you just don't see. You know, you hear Californians talk about it never rains here, never rains here. So a lot of times when it does rain, they're just not prepared for it. And take a look at the satellite and radar picture right now. They're just seeing a whole lot of rainfall, including up towards San Francisco, Los Angeles. A lot of that radar data gets lost as well because of the high elevation. So even if you see some breaks there within the state, that doesn't mean it isn't raining. There's a good likelihood it's raining all across the state right now. So it is a big difference compared to what we're seeing here at home. Finally, some dry skies here in Columbus. You know, the last couple of days we've dealt with that heavy rainfall, and here's what we're looking at currently. Clear skies. It's cold though, 36 degrees here in downtown Columbus. So I mentioned that we're nice and quiet and we're dry and we'll have some clear skies and maybe even some sunshine this morning, but what do you know? Mother Nature doing its thing, and of course we'll be watching as this area of low pressure that we've been tracking, this one was associated with the cold front that moved through the last 2 days, is now shifted further to the south. I know you can't see that jog here, but the further south that it moved, that just means that waves of energy will be available to move in our direction later on today. All of that science together just means that we will have the chance of some rain, even some snow showers as we go through this evening and heading into early tonight. So I'll show you the latest here with the weather models. For this morning, I think we are completely quiet and sunny. So it'll be a nice sunny start. Then as you head to lunch, you'll look up and you'll notice the clouds will be increasing. So we'll watch as clouds increase to start. Later this evening is when some rain showers begin to move in. Here 7 o'clock tonight, we'll begin to see a couple of spotty rain showers here from downtown to Columbus, down to Circleville and Chillicothe. And then, what do you know? Some snow showers moving in for our northwestern locations, perhaps even some light snow out towards Columbus. And then we'll keep that chance of some spotty snow showers around for overnight tonight before we just see the chance of a flurry or two as we go through tomorrow. Now, with that said, you're thinking, how much snow are we looking at? Well, not very much, if nothing at all, because you can see our snowfall forecast has most of us seeing about maybe 0.2 of an inch, which is a tiny little bit, down to maybe less than that. And you can see Columbus, Circleville, many of our southeastern locations will not be picking up any accumulating snow. If you are joining us, though, and you live in Marion, Marysville, Kenton, or Urbana, you have a better chance of seeing maybe a dusting when you wake up tomorrow morning. Nothing to be canceling plans over, just an early heads up, maybe a little dusting possibility for tomorrow morning. Here are the precip chances as we go through the next several days. Notice our Sunday rain chance has gone up. That's because this next weather system that'll be moving in over the weekend has stalled back a little bit. So I think our next highest rain chance will move in as we head towards our Sunday. Taking a look at our 10-day forecast. Again, for this evening, it's going to be a quick little hit that will get the chance of some rain and maybe some snow. Again, little to no accumulation of that snow is expected. As we head into our weekend, it looks like we should be primarily dry for both Friday and Saturday. Now, it's Sunday that we'll get that better chance of seeing some rain showers. Could even see that rain lingering into Monday. Just depends on how slow that system moves in on Sunday. Then as we head into our Tuesday, Wednesday, looking pretty cloudy, pretty normal for this time of year with temperatures in the low to mid 40s before we cool things off even more back to the 30s by next Saturday. That's a look at your 10-day forecast.